Are your passwords really keeping your digital life secure, or are they just an illusion of safety? With cyber attacks becoming more sophisticated every day, relying on 123,456 or password is like leaving your front door wide open. The best tools not only protect your credentials but also streamline your online experience. Password managers, two-factor authentication, 2FA, apps, and secure generators are the backbone of digital safety. Let's explore the top 5 tools and how they can fortify your accounts. First, LastPass is a standout password manager offering encrypted storage for all your credentials. It simplifies password generation and autofills your logins while syncing across devices. Setting up LastPass is as simple as installing the extension and creating a master password. Second, Dashlane combines security with convenience, offering dark web monitoring and password health checks. Once you install the app, Dashlane guides you through importing existing credentials and strengthening weak passwords. Third, 1Password is perfect for those who value simplicity and privacy. Its Watchtower feature alerts you to potential vulnerabilities. Just download the app, create a vault, and start storing your passwords securely. Next is Authy, a trusted 2FA app. It generates time-sensitive codes for an extra layer of security. After downloading the app, link it to accounts that support 2FA, such as Google or Facebook, to drastically reduce hacking risks. Finally, LastPass combines affordability with robust encryption. Its secure password sharing feature is ideal for families or teams. Download LastPass, and with a few clicks, your passwords are stored securely and accessible anywhere. To maximize these tools, make sure you create a strong master password and keep it offline. Regularly update your stored credentials and enable 2FA wherever possible. Are you ready to take control of your digital security? Which tool do you think suits your needs best?